Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video I will show you an amazing method, an amazing application that pays you to download for free. It just doesn't cost you a time, and you can do this from anywhere around the world, and anyone can do this from anywhere in the world because there is no experience required, there is no technical skills required or anything like knowledge, nothing required. And if you're excited to see, stay tuned with the video. But before start the video, I invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel. And at the end, if you like this video, then hit on like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. So today I'm gonna talk to you about feature points. What is this and how does it works? Try free apps, get rewards. Try free apps, earn points by downloading free apps on your iPhone or Android device and trying them for a minute. So you can see here different apps. So as soon as you download and install on your phone and they give you different points, alright. So all you need to do is just log in, get the points, and then you can claim your rewards. Now there are different rewards. Get rewards, redeem your points for rewards including paid apps, iTunes, Amazon, Starbucks, PayPal Cash, and more. And the minimum PayPal withdrawal is $5, but if you want to get rewards and other options like Amazon gift card, iTunes, or paid apps for free, so you can get them. Now this just one of the way, nothing to do, they just download, just work a little bit with app, just open it, just browse whatever and delete a. I recommended you to delete a because leave if you leave applications in your phone, then it take capacity and damage performance of your phone. So don't leave all these apps on your phone. Also, something really important, this method not gonna make you rich, it's gonna make you a little bit pocket money, and it's very passive. You don't need to have any skills, you can do this in your free time. Now one awesome way you can also make money with this app is referring friends. Your friends and earn unlimited points. When you get sign up, you gonna get a link, and if you share that link with your friends and your friend also get 50 points bonus. Alright, now the cool thing is that you refer somebody, you get 50% of the points they earn. So do refer many people as you can and download apps and you can make some money. Now you can read this. How you become an exclusive partner. Become an exclusive partner, share feature points with your audience. Just click on the partner with us and you're redirected to this page, and here you can also see that how much you can earn. For example, here's what could you earn. Active followers, if your followers each downloaded one free app, you'd earn 250,000. Active followers, $30,000 potential payout. Approximately, results may vary. Let's just go to the minimum, and the minimum is 5,000 active followers with one of them downloading app and approximately $600 potential payout. Approximately, results may vary. Here is for example 10,000 followers and you get $1,200 potential payout approximately. Now this is all that if you have following. Now read this, really important, you really have to know this. So it says here, I just show you one important point about inactivity. And you see here, inactivity feature points may terminate. Any points are carriers it's assigned to your account due to inactivity with a 60-day period. Inactivity includes but is it's not limited to. Point number one, no point activity where no points have been credited or redeemed. No new referral signups added using your referral code. No attempts to access the service. Now, if you total inactive for 60 days, they will delete you. Now, one more thing, depending on your location, you might be get more apps to download it, or you might get less app to download it. That's all guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then give me a small favor, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and hit on like button if you like this video and enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.